Hello everyone. Do you know that space sounds are very interesting? We all are aware that sounds needs a medium like solid, liquids or gas to travel. But space doesn't has any of these, so we won't be able to listen to sounds in space. But all stars and planets has their own kind of strange sounds. Even though sounds cannot travel in space, radio waves can travel. NASA is equipped with some instruments which converts these radio waves into sounds. Let's listen to some of these sounds which NASA has converted and recorded.